Hey everyone! Welcome to today's live cooking show. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're going to cook up some healthy and delicious meals that'll fuel your body and keep you feeling energized. I'll also share tips on meal prepping and balanced diets so you can stay on track with your health goals. Let's get started with some simple and tasty recipes. Before we jump into cooking, let's talk about what makes up a balanced diet. A balanced diet should have three key components: proteins, healthy fats, and carbohydrates. Proteins help build and repair tissues. Great sources are lean meats, eggs, legumes, and tofu. Healthy fats are essential for brain function and heart health. You can find them in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Carbs give your body the energy it needs. Stick to whole, complex carbs like quinoa, brown rice, and veggies for long-lasting energy. When these three components are balanced on your plate, you're giving your body what it needs to thrive. Now let's get cooking. Our first recipe is a veggie stir-fry. It's quick, full of nutrients, and packed with flavor. Plus, you can make it in just 15 minutes. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 small onion, sliced, 1 bell pepper sliced, 1 zucchini sliced, 1 cup broccoli florets, half a cup snap peas, 1 tablespoon soy sauce or tamari for gluten-free, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 cup cooked quinoa or brown rice. Instructions: heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the onion, bell pepper, zucchini, broccoli, and snap peas to the skillet. Stir fry for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the veggies are tender but still crisp. Drizzle the soy sauce and sesame oil over the veggies and give it a quick stir. Serve your stir fry over quinoa or brown rice for a complete balanced meal. This dish has loads of fiber from the veggies, protein from the quinoa, and healthy fats from the olive and sesame oils. Meal prepping is a great way to stay on top of your healthy eating goals. Here are a few quick tips to get started. Batch cook grains and proteins. Cook a large batch of brown rice, quinoa, or roasted sweet potatoes. Also, grill or bake chicken, tofu, or beans to have on hand for easy meals. Pre-cut veggies. Chop up your veggies ahead of time and store them in containers so they're ready to go when you need them. Portion snacks. Portion out healthy snacks like nuts, seeds, and fruits into small bags or containers so you can grab them on the go. By prepping in advance, you make it easy to stick to healthy eating, even when you're busy. Next up, we're making a protein-packed salad. This salad is perfect for lunch or dinner and is full of nutrient-rich ingredients. Ingredients: 1 cup mixed greens, spinach, kale, arugula, half a cup cooked chickpeas or grilled chicken, 1/4 avocado, sliced, 1/4 cucumber, sliced, 1/4 cup cherry tomatoes, halved, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: start by placing the mixed greens in a large bowl. Add your protein, either cooked chickpeas or grilled chicken. Top with sliced avocado, cucumber, and cherry tomatoes. Drizzle with olive oil and balsamic vinegar, then season with salt and pepper. Toss it all together and you've got a healthy, protein-packed meal. This salad is a great way to get healthy fats, fiber, and protein in one meal. It's filling and will keep you satisfied for hours. That's it for today's live cooking show. I hope you enjoyed these quick and easy recipes, as well as the meal prep tips. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated, just focus on balance, variety, and whole foods. If you liked these recipes, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below with any questions or future